on the Flat Rate Master, and it ain't a comeback if it never leaves, right? All right, so let's talk comebacks. First off, if anybody says they don't have comebacks, they lie. They lie, lie, lie. Everyone has the occasional comeback. Our job as caring technicians that care about our output and what we do our best to limit said comebacks. So we haven't had a lot of comebacks in the upper shop, but I was talking, making some statements, and well, a little gem came out that I, have always loved and hated. If nobody finds out about it, did you really make a mistake? And that's the thing, is a lot of technicians will hide their mistakes. Instead of walking up there and going, I broke this, I messed this up, yada, 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 they hide it. It's important not to do that. Because chances are you're not going to hide it well enough, long enough, that people aren't going to realize you're messing up and doing stuff. It happens, we all make mistakes, and management should understand. If management doesn't understand that, oh, while I was doing this plastic piece on his BMW broke, you've got a problem with management, not your skills. So it's important when you do have something break or come back, you admit when you did something wrong. Best way to deal with a comeback is don't try to cover it up. Don't try to, make a adjustment to, nah, I screwed up. It's my fault. This is what we need to do to fix it. Let's move on. Because that's the important thing about comebacks is if management doesn't trust you to be honest, they're not going to trust you. They're not going to trust you to sell the work that you recommend. If he's willing to lie about something that costs $40, is he lying about that oil leak that he's writing up for 10 hours? That's one of the things you have to understand is the more you put distrust in the guys up front, the more distrust they have in you. Whereas when you're going up there and going, I messed up, I'm sorry, this is what we need to do, fix it, they're going to understand. They're going to go, okay, he's not trying to hide it, he is being honest, I can sell his work because I know I can trust what he says is gold. And that's the thing. The more honest you are about comebacks, the more honest you are. Because the more dishonest you are, well, the more dishonest you are. It's a trend. Trust me. I've seen it many, many times. Somebody that will lie about some stuff is going to lie about other stuff. So if you want your service writers to make sure and sell your stuff, make sure and be honest when you have a comeback. Because chances are, one, they've seen it and heard it before, and two, they've seen it and heard it before, so they know you're full of it. Just admit it, correct your mistake, move on. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.